CO detector with alert modes, LED lights that pulse for power, Colorado detection, low battery. Sophisticated electronic components to protect you, your family from the dangers of carbon monoxide, 85 decibel alarm alerts of fire. Protects during a power failure, operates on 2 AA batteries included with pack. Whole home family protection. Place one carbon monoxide detector on each level of your home in your bedroom to protect from poisonous gases. UL certified, 10-year limited warranty. Top reviews from the United States. It really works. I bought this 4 years ago. Put it in the walk-in closet where we sometimes put our baby down to sleep in the basement and basically forgot it was there, with the exception of occasionally wondering if it really does work.